manufacturing company TSMC has reportedly made significant progress in its nanometer semiconductor production process. This is a notable achievement as high-yields are crucial for cost-effective mass production. According to analysts, this milestone suggests that TSMC is aiming at full-scale manufacturing, which will help raise the wafer count and increase production efficiency. Nanometer process promises to be power efficiency for subsequent chip generations, as TSMC will play a crucial role in TSMC's continued dominance in the semiconductor manufacturing industry. Full-scale manufacturing enables TSMC to grow demand advanced chips across various industries, including consumer electronics, automotive,